Alright, so I just wanted to get on here. Look at this beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful. Like, oh man. I really wish that, I don't know, I would have called this out. Oh wait, I did. My Telegram. Did call out on Telegram. The only reason I didn't take it is because my entry that I would have had, I had everything set up, ready to go. I was waiting for price to break down in this level right here. That happened around 3 o'clock in the morning. I was sleeping. Beautiful trade. What is this trade like? That's easy. Let's just look on the 4 hour. What do we got? Um, so first things first, come out here to the 4 hour chart, zoom out a little bit. What do we have? We have resistance area that's been hit multiple times. Price comes up in that area, and you're just waiting to see if price stalls. So what do we get? We got price come into this area, and then a stall. Once it started stalling and flipping around, that would have been your entry. That would have been it. That's all it would have taken. And so, it really doesn't have to take much. Don't complicate it. Let's keep it simple.